Hi, I am Huang Zheng. In this lesson, we will use some codes in the R&D contract. So if you haven't studied the last series of lessons, we suggest to go back to there first. First, we will create a mapping named Morse Code Dictionary. To store the Morse code of all letters and numbers, and an address type variable named owner to store the address that has permissions. Which we will talk about it later. Now we use the constructor to fill in the Morse code A to Z and 0 to 9 into the mapping. I will just copy and paste here because it's too much. After creating the mapping, we can create two functions, create Morse and create image. Which convert text to Morse and compile Morse into one column of 7 characters of SVG code. The modifiers are both view, which means they are read-only functions that do not cost gas. Create Morse receive text parameter string type named text. And returns a string type Morse. Create image receive a text parameter that is converted to Morse, also of type string named Morse code. And returns SVG code type string. They are both public. Now we create a function withdrawal, which is used to extract the ETH from the contract. Because some people may accidentally hit the tokens into the contract. Of course, if you have a contract with a collection function, this function will also ensure that you can extract the received tokens. Note that it must be an address that has permission to extract. So we use require to determine if message.sender is equal to owner, and only owner must have permission to extract. If it is the owner to extract, the contract will convert the specified address to a payable type and transfer to this address this dot balance, which is the number of tokens in the contract address. Okay, we are done here for today. Thank you.